All right, we're here with Dustin Smith,
How's it going?
and good thing you can download SPL Lab software on site because I forgot my proper connections. But anyways, tell us about what you got back here.
I've got 3 Mezzo 12s, a CT Sound 7000, 3 Northstar 170 FTs.
Band Hammer batteries.
Yep, and then 320 amp alternator.
By who's it by?
Iraqi.
Iraqi.
Yep.
Nice. And then he's just got this in. It's tweaking and tuning.
Yeah.
Not time to clean it up yet. So we're gonna do some testing.
Lab in the back in the crib, on the streets like an early morning hog. Mama out, kick that dick, chop early morning hog. Catching Z's like an early morning when I walk the racket, yawning. And I never sleep, man. Out the window, what's wrong with y'all? Reload, think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying.